Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, it's a bright, beautiful, sunny day out. It's warm out. Figured, what the heck, we're going to fire up the grill. If y'all want to find out what we're cooking, you're going to have to hang out for a second. Alright y'all, here's what we're throwing on the grill. This is a Jack's Original Thin Pizza. This is one of my favorite pizzas for the do on the grill because they're nice and thin and they cook up relatively quickly and don't burn very easily. But I always darken mine up a little bit. We're going to start out, we got some banana peppers here. I like banana peppers on mine. Some things all the way around there. Look at that, that's beautiful looking. A couple more here. Oh yeah, look at that, it's looking great already. Scrumdiddlyicious. Alright, now we're going to put some shrooms on here. I like lots of shrooms on mine. You can leave them off if you don't like them. Put them on if you like them. Add a bunch of them like I do, because I like them. So, alright, we got them on there. That is looking awesome. And we're using the charcoal grill today, so I've already got the charcoal out there cooking up. Got some bacon here. Everybody loves bacon. And we got some shredded mozzarella. Add some extra cheese to this. Not quite that much, but just enough to kind of melt and hold them toppings on there. A little bit more. Come on. Come on. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. We're getting it everywhere, but that's the fun part about cooking. There you go. Had a few more mushrooms in the bottom of that can. Look at that. Alright. There we go. Now, I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning on there. Kind of an accent. Add a little flavor to it, but it doesn't change it that much, but it sure does look pretty. So, alright, we're ready to throw this thing here on the grill. So, I'm going to go out and check the coals, and if they're ready, we'll bring you back while we're throwing this on. If they're not, then I'm going to wait a little bit, and then we'll bring you back. So, hang on. Alright, y'all, it's been about 6 or 7 minutes. I'm going to check this here. Yeah, she's getting a little toasty over here along that side, so we're gonna rotate her just to keep her from burning on one side and not on, not cooking on the other. So, sorry about that, y'all. All right, look at that. There we go. Alright, we got her all turned around there. I'll shut the lid and we're going to cook her for another 6 or 8 minutes. So, there we go. Alright y'all, it's been about another 6 minutes or so. And, if y'all can see right down along that edge, it's starting to brown. Toppings are starting to melt. It's smelling delicious. Let's see if we can get a peek underneath there. Yeah, she's starting to toast up a little bit. So, I'm going to actually move this over on top of the coals now. Since we know it's all warmed through, things are starting to melt. I'm going to close the lid, and we're going to cook it for about another 3 or 4 minutes, something like that, just to brown that bottom. So, as soon as that's done, we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. I just checked her. She's really nice and brown on that bottom half. So, I got my vegetable tray here. It's got an open edge on it. So, we're gonna try to pull that thing back. Try to pull that thing back onto there. There we go. Alright, now we'll take her in the house, get her cut up, and we'll bring y'all back when we're ready to eat. Alright y'all, got her back in the house here. Got it sitting on its original cardboard. Let's see if we can hear a crunch. Ooh. That is an awesome crunch. Oh yeah. Oh, that thin crust crispiness, deliciousness. Alright, let me get the camera turned around here. We'll give you a little taste test and give you my opinion. Alright y'all, there you have it. Hope you like this one. I got my pizza here. That crunch. That is so good. If you never tried it, you really need to. Works on a gas grill. I prefer the charcoal. It gives it a little barbecue-y flavor. The charcoal, you know, if you like the charcoal flavor like on your meats and stuff, it gets in that pizza too. So, really, really good. Beverage of the day, got some Sunkist orange. Little throwback action. That's even good. Well, there you have it, y'all. Grilled pizza. I know Patrick Hattrick, he does them all the time. He makes them up from scratch. I've done them from scratch too. Get the pre-made pizza crust, throw your toppings on. But these Jack pizzas, they're okay. Like I said, I'd like to doctor them up, throw my extra toppings on there. Sometimes I even throw anchovies on. Just didn't happen to have any today. But beautiful day out, decided the fire to grill up. We'd do some grilling. So appreciate y'all watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you're going to try this one. If you like it, hit that thumbs up button down there. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring that little bell, and get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, we do out in the garage, we do at the tractor pulls. And there's a new feature YouTube just put out. It's the thanks button. It's kind of like a super chat or a super sticker on a live stream, but it's for individual videos. If you're so inclined, click that button too. Really would appreciate it. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Catch the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Sunday nights, Eastern time. Come on in, hang out, chat with us. So, appreciate that too. So, that's all I got for you today. Like I said, hope you try this. Grilled pizza, awesome. And, you know, as always, bon appetit. Thanks for watching.